Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss.
As you know, today we're gonna have writing test. Before we begin, please listen carefully to the instructions. You will have 60 minutes to complete your writing. Please write a text that consists of 3 to 5 paragraphs, or around 400 to 900 words. There are 4 topics profiled on your paper: narrative, argumentative, exposition, and discussion. You may choose only one topic. Please remember these important rules. During the test, you are not allowed to use any books, dictionaries, or the internet. Please pay attention to grammar, coherence, and paragraph unity, and follow the structure of the text type you choose. Okay, now I'm going to give the papers to you. Please don't write anything yet until I tell you to stop. Before you start, please write your name, class, and date at the top of the paper. If you have any questions, you may raise your hand now. If there are no questions, you may begin your writing test. Your time starts now. Good luck, everyone. Alright everyone, time is up. Please stop writing and put your pen down. Check your name and details, then submit your paper to me. Okay, thank you everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay, today we will have a speaking test. For this test, the teacher who will ask you is another teacher. They will ask you a few simple questions. For the first turn, I will call two students, Gita and Willy. Gita and Willy, please go first. And the rest of the students, please wait until you turn.
Miss.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
Good.
Today we are going to have speaking test. In this test, you will answer some questions and make short dialogue with your partner. There are 2 parts in this topic. Part A, you will answer some questions and relate to the teacher. You will make short dialogue with your partner based on given situations. Please speak clearly and confidently. Don't worry about making mistakes and just do your best. Are you ready?
Yes, I already, Miss.
Okay, let's begin. I will ask you a few questions about it. What do you see in the picture? Really?
I see people playing with and using bicycles, Miss.
Okay.
I see pictures about protecting the earth from pollution.
Okay, good answer. Okay, next. What are some actions shown that help it reduce carbon footprint?
For me, planting trees, turning off lights, and recycling less. I think that using public transportation and saving water.
Okay, good answer. Okay, next. Which of these habits do you already practice? Yes.
I always use a reusable bottle and set out settings.
Right?
I sometimes hold the schools instead of taking a water bottle.
Next. What do you recommend for students to protect the environment?
I recommend that students bring eco bags and reduce plastic use. I think students should plant more trees around the school.
Okay, alright, good answer. Okay, now let's move to the next part. In this part, you will again make a short dialogue with your partner. Please listen to the situations carefully. Guided dialogue. Two students are discussing ways to reduce carbon footprints in daily life. They share recommendations such as saving electricity, planting trees, and using reusable items. Make a dialogue based on the situations. Okay, kita mulai start.
We should start caring more about our environment. Our daily habits will affect our carbon footprints. I agree with that. It's better to use bicycles or public transportation instead of driving cars everywhere. Yes. And I recommend that we have electricity at home. We can turn on the lights and plug chargers when we are not in use. That's right. People need to bring their own bottles and reusable bags instead of using plastic ones. Yes, we should also plant more trees around our school and community to make the air cleaner. Good idea. It's better to start with small action, but do them consistently. Exactly. So if everyone takes responsibility, we can really reduce our carbon footprints and protect the planet.
Okay, thank you for your participants. You do a great job and your ideas and speaking clearly. That's the end of your speaking test today. And thank you.
Good morning, Bunga. How are you today? Okay, today we are going to have a speaking test. In this test, you will answer some questions and make short monologue. There are two parts in this topic. Part A, you will answer some question related to a picture. Part B, you will make a short monologue based on a given situation. Please speak clearly and confidently. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just do your best. Let's start with part A. Are you ready?
Ready?
Okay, let's begin. Now, let's look at the picture and please observe carefully. I have a few questions for you, Bunga. The first question is, what do you see in the picture?
I see a person using their smartphone to make a payment through an e-money applications.
Okay. Do you often use e-money in your daily life?
Yes, of course, mate. I use e-money almost every day, especially when I buy food, pay for transportations, or shop online.
Okay. What are the advantages of using e-money?
The advantages are that it is fast, safe, and practical. I don't have to bring cash, and I can pay in just a few seconds.
Okay. Good. Which e-money application do you think is the most popular in Indonesia?
I think like the GoPay and GoGo are the most popular because many people use them for online shopping and ride-hailing apps.
Okay, last question. Which payment method do you think is the most convenient, cash, debit, or e-money, and why?
I think e-money is the most convenient because it saves time and is easier to use anywhere, even for small payments.
Okay, good answer, Bunga. Now that's a nice opinion. Thank you. Okay, now let's move to part B. I will read a short guided monologue first, and then please listen carefully. Okay. Describe e-money by comparing it with other payment methods such as cash and credit cards. Use superlative adjectives in your sentences. For example, tell which payment method is the fastest, safest, or most efficient. Explain why you think e-money is the most practical way to pay Norway. Now, it's your turn. Please make your own short monologue about 1 to 2 minutes long.
Okay, Miss, let's start. In my opinion, e-money is the most practical way to make payments nowadays. Compared to case, e-money is faster and safer. We don't need to carry clients or bank accounts that can get lost. It is also more efficient than credit card because we only need a smartphone to pay. I believe that e-money is the most convenient payment method since it can be used for almost everything, from online shopping to public transportation. And for me, e-money makes life simpler and more modern.
Okay, thank you for your participation, Luna. You did a great job expressing your ideas and speaking clearly. That's the end of your speaking test for today. Have a nice day, Luna.
Okay, thank you.